So we done made up here to the track, man. It's nice. It's real nice and packed out here, man. So it's gonna be, y'all finna get some good. I'm talking about when I say good runs, bro. Y'all finna get some real good runs, bro. And I'm out here walking in the dang rocks, bro. In my, look at this. Look at that, bro. That's why you don't wear shoes like these, bro, on rocks and gravel. But I got my dog with me today, so you gonna see what it's like, man.
Hey, if this video already up, y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel. Me, Decals.
What you doing? Get mama turbo situated, bro.
Going from running. I'm not. Don't put me on camera talking about it, brother. This man want me to run my own other car.
So you ready to have a race? Hey, they have that little meeting. It should be pretty lit, man. I want it to be pretty lit tonight. I'm trying to go back there and see why I heard. I'm trying to go look at the car and see why I heard. I'm trying to look at the car and see why I heard. Let's go. Let's go, brother. Hey, he lifting up, bro. Hey, Raven probably lifting up in the front, bro. My dog Bolo right there. Oh, they betting, man. That's your type of time, bro. They betting. It's your type of time. Huh? What I got? I'm going with the Raven, bro. Who you got? Who you going with?
Go with that Raven.
The Raven?
I told you already. If you do a burnout, you don't get no smoke. I'm good.
Bro, you said real one, bro. Oh, you said real one, bro. You low. I need my money from you. I definitely need my money from you. I need my money, huh? You said a real one, bro. Same, man. Hey, hey, they gonna see the lineup, bro. They gonna see the lineup. Walking that way?
I want to go see no lineup, man.
Who?
No trap out.
Who wants to?
I'm good. You must forget. I was YouTubing long time like this, bro. It's like, hey, get what? I ain't gotta. When I'm done, check me out. Check me out. When I'm done, I'm like that.
What that mean, bro? I can do that too, bro.
I'm empty, man. They gotta walk around.
I ain't got to walk around doing that, man. I put it in my pocket too, man.
Pocket, brother.
Hey, you know what, bro? I think he really jealous, bro, because he ain't got his trap out, bro. He really is, bro. Hey, it's okay, bro. Me and him, we look like real YouTubers.
That's what I'm about to say.
Exactly.
Hey, mess up my ears, nigga.
Hey, bro, hey, man, you know what? My own brother, you know, Kane killed Abel. You know what I'm saying? So my own brother, bro. My own brother.
I'm telling you, it's that trap out, brother.
Hey, that's what it is. You know what I'm saying? Kane, cause he ain't got no trap outs. He missed all the footage, bro.
Let's go down this side and come back up.
Huh?
Hey, buddy, I'm already doing that.
Bro.
Bro,
What are you doing, bro?
I'm trying to see the stove, bro.
Boy, if you don't.
Hey, which way you trying to rock, bro?
Go down this way first and just come back up.
Yes.
That way we don't miss it.
Yeah, cause the food back that way. That's where I need to be. Where the food is. I'm hungry, bro. I like this right here, bro. Man, look at these wheels, cuz. I'll put some of these on my Hellcat. I'm hooking, boy.
These things always nice.
Yeah, they running tonight, bro. Hey, it's going down. Hey, this is my setup, bro. Wait till I get my truck, bro. It's a wrap. Hey, look at that. Hey. What game? Hey, if you didn't play Midnight Club, it don't matter, bro. If you didn't play Midnight Club, it really didn't matter.
You know, that's coming back October 1st.
If they buy it, I'm gonna be the first nigga with it. I guarantee you. And I'm gonna put it right on YouTube. The one that with the truck, man. Say, man, that thing hurt my ears, boy.
I can see that thing winning somewhere if it's by class.
They don't got pressure. Both of them got pressure, so I'm assuming they might got me running, bro.
Come on, Bob.
He ain't got nothing.
I need to see this.
He ain't got nothing. Dan about right now, he ain't got nothing.
This is my footwork, bro.
He ain't got.
Bobby.
Boy, if you don't.
That's my footwork, bro. It's simple. Hey, it's simple.
You going slow though.
You go to the beat.
You got to get with it.
You just go to the beat, bro.
Oh, that's my jam. Oh, I didn't play my jam now.
Yeah, that's it right there.
Yeah, footwork.
That's it, bro. That's all it is.
I'm sick of this right now.
Hey, Turbo, what we looking like? They got a bite ice shit on here. What it looking like? Oh, they spraying too. They spraying.
Spray.
What? But we out here at the track, man. Checking out the cars they got out here. Seeing what the lineup and the competition looking like before everything like really just jump off. Ain't not really jumped off night yet. About to.
I'm gonna take one more test here right quick. Take one more test here.
So we came out here, man. We still walking around. Get, huh? That's demonology, bro.
Yeah, son. Yeah, son.
And guess who car we just seen up here?
Yeah, son.
Yep. That's demonology right now. I don't know where he at though. Probably right here. Oh, that's him right. That's him right there. This is demonology right here, man. This. Hi, how you doing?
What's going on, fellas?
What's going on? That's the famous demonology. The famous demonology car, man. Soul snatcher. That's hit crazy, bro.
The man got big conversions on the front and the back. In real life.
Hey, man, y'all gotta get a picture with me. Y'all big group. Y'all get up here around me.
Man, come on, man.
I'm gonna get this
Come
picture.
on, come on,
Come on. Y'all get behind.
Come on, brother.
For the light, you know, I gotta get the light. I'll be looking like a Nigerian.
We out here for
Selfie on Instagram because it's too many of y'all for me to.
It was good to meet you though, man.
Hey, what you got, the Canon?
Oh yeah, Candy.
Hey man, yes sir, you too, man. I wish I'd have got out of here early, man. I was rolling it early, man. Yeah, I was out here racing.
Oh man, he hooking it up. I thought he was getting ready to take it down.
Man, y'all don't know who it is. Go get him about it. It ain't nobody.
Nobody.
I don't care what he say. Ain't nobody fooling.
Soul snatch.
That man from Mickey Thompson on the front and the back is serious.
Hey man, we serious. Hey man, that's the new right there, man. You see the new? Hey, that's the new. Them right there.
The Mickeys?
Yeah, Mickey told me I need to run these. These are new right here.
So he's a new. 315. Hey, you know that's my type of time, brother. That's my type of time, brother. 315s, bro.
Hey man, y'all tag yourself in here, man. Who is that? Put your Instagram in there.
You might as well tag everybody.
Yeah, put everybody Instagram in there. Yes, sir.
There you go.
Thank you, brother. You got everybody in there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Everybody got it.
Hey man, what's the name of y'all crew?
We just me here with YouTube.
Y'all just hanging.
Okay, yeah, we just YouTube.
Okay, y'all YouTube. What's your channel?
I am King Mozzie.
Okay, I am King Mozzie.
No, living with Mozzie.
My channel name Living with Mozzie.
Living with Mozzie.
Yeah, Living with Mozzie.
God, we know that. Like on everything.
Uh-oh.
5-0. You hear this?
What that mean?
We was running. I'm not gonna say on here. Remember what we was running? Down the track.
Yeah, well, what? Oh.
They running. They have to be 5 and they can't go over 5 or under 5.
Hey. Oh, look.